Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamar Perkins, and if you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up girl? Just to let you guys know, all my newcomers watching, I do not sound like this. I sound like a man. It's because I've been under the weather and I've been coughing, so my voice has just been going. And I don't have you know what because I took a you know what and they were both negative. So I am good. But yes, as you can tell from the video, we're doing a hair unboxing from She's Happy Hair. She's Happy Hair is one of my favorite hair companies, and I don't know why I've never done a video with She's Happy Hair. This hair is She's Happy Hair. It don't look the best because let me tell y'all this right now. Hold on. We're gonna say that for later. We're gonna say that for later. Here it is. She's Happy Hair. Y'all, I love She's Happy Hair. This is one of my favorite hair companies. I've been a She's Happy Hair girl since I was in high school, and I'm not let go. And I'm so excited to put y'all on because some of y'all probably don't know them. Okay, so this She's Happy Hair, they do have a hair website, but I got mine from a department store. We do have a location here in Houston. I live in Houston, and they have different locations. I think they have about maybe like three more locations. One in Dallas. They have one in somewhere. I don't know. It's somewhere. But you can go check out their Instagram. Check them out. Y'all will love them. But yeah, you guys, let's get with this unboxing. So bear with me with my voice, y'all. So when you get it, they give it to you wrapped up in their She's Happy Hair tissue. There we go. She's Happy Hair tissue. And I got Brazilian Deep Wave, and I got 4 bundles. I normally get, well, back in the day I used to get 4. But you know, getting 4 bundles from She's Happy Hair is very expensive. This hair is not cheap. 4 bundles of Brazilian Deep Wave, and this is how it comes when you first get it. And I mixed it up, so I got 3 Brazilian Deep Waves and 1 Peruvian Deep Wave. And the reason why I do it is because I love Peruvian because it has so much volume, and it's really thick and has like a coarse look to it. And so I really wanted to give that type of look with this hair. And then I got Brazilian because, yeah, you gotta have Brazilian. Brazilian is very silky, and you know, Brazilian is always the clutch when it comes to hair. So I got me a 26-inch Peruvian. That's the shortest I got. And then I got 228 Brazilian Deep Wave, 228 inches, and then I got 130. I love long hair, absolutely love it. But just to give y'all a review, I mean, I'm not gonna be biased, I'm being brutally honest. This is one of my favorite hair companies. The texture is so soft. This is how the deep hair comes when you first get it, and then as you keep wearing it, the curls start to drop just a little bit, but it gives you that look that everybody is trying to have right now, that nice wavy look. And you can also wet it, and it will also gain those waves back. And just to let y'all know, this hair is very, very soft. It's very, very thick. Just look at this bundle. Look at that. Do y'all see this bundle? You do want to have that nice and full look. Make sure you try to get 4 bundles, but 3 will still do the job. So don't think that you have to get 4 bundles, because you don't. But it does have a different look, you know what I mean? I intend to turn this into a wig, and I want to get it done, you know, professionally. This is literally the best hair. I don't want to rub my fingers through it because I don't want to mess with the curls, but the shedding is very, very minimal. When I say minimal, like, it's hardly no shedding. Imagine this on me though. It looks like crinkles. Look at that. It's so cute. Do y'all see how silky it is? Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to have this in my hair. And let me show you guys the Peruvian. Let me show y'all how thick the wefts is. Let's see if y'all can see that. That's the wefts. Like that. And then this is the Peruvian. It's so pretty, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. And then this is a 26, so look how long. I'm gonna show y'all how long it's gonna be. This is 26. They're true to length as well. So look at this. Ignore my outfit, okay? But look at this. This is just 26. Okay? Now, let me show y'all how 28 look. And I'm 5'4", okay? So this is 28. Let me back up a little bit. Okay, so this is 28. And then this is 30. This is the 30 inches. Their hair is true to length. And so the only thing that I'm gonna have to tell you guys about, also, there's no smell, all right? No smell. Human hair, okay? And I know, like, I've been getting wigs, but like, I've been so tired of ordering these wigs and they not come thick. Like, I feel like these hair companies are starting to jip us. Like these alleys, all of them, I feel like they're starting to jip us because they be sending out these wigs and they be so thin. It be looking like it's like 2.5 bundles in a frontal, and then half of the time the frontal's not even a real frontal. So I'm just like, you know what? Sometimes you have to spend your money for good quality for it to last long. Speaking on that topic, lasting long, this is She's Happy Hair. It doesn't look the best because I've been wearing it to wear it constantly, and I've constantly been curling it, and I'm constantly putting heat in it a lot. Let me tell you, She's Happy Hair is good with heat, but let me tell y'all how old this hair, I've had this hair since 2018. I'm gonna show y'all how I look when I first got it. This is Brazilian straight. Look at this, y'all. This is how it looked. Do y'all see that? And I only had 3 bundles in, 3 bundles. But this hair is like one of my favorite hairs. Like, look at it. It is, look at this. Look, do y'all see this? This is a different video. This is when it got, this is like the next year, 2019. That's how it looks. And then let's keep going up. Let's see if I had it installed again. See, I've been switching. I'll be going back and forth. So here it is right here, 2020. You can't really see it. This is how it looked in 2020. And then here it is right here for my graduation. It's still holding up. Do y'all see this? This is 2020 right now. And so then we're going up to now, and I have it in now. And as I said before, I've been wearing this hair a lot. See, I have it here in Tulum, and it's still long. It still looks good. So that's what I'm saying with longevity. That is proof, okay? I just gave y'all evidence that She's Happy Hair lasts so long. Another thing, let me tell y'all this. I have hair that I've had. Y'all not ready for this. I had hair since 2015, and I had dyed it red, but I'm not wearing it no more because the only thing that I would say is that, of course, closures and frontals, they don't last forever, okay? Now, if there's a company out there where they got closures and frontals that last forever, let me know, okay? But of course, a frontal or a closure, it's not gonna, I mean, look, it ain't gonna last from 2015 to 2022, okay? We just hit a new year. So that's the only thing that has to get changed when I got my She's Happy Hair. So that just comes to tell you how long this company hair lasts. I know that just took a long time for me to talk about, but I'm just trying to tell y'all that this hair lasts so long. So let me tell y'all this. So this is the only dilemma, okay? And I hate to say it because I was sad myself. She's Happy Hair, they used to have frontals for the deep wave texture, and they only have like 4 different textures. They have a deep wave, body wave, straight, and they have a Malaysian curly, and I think I'm missing one, loose wave. They only have 5 different textures, and they've been strong with those 5 different textures since they started. So this is the only thing. They used to have the frontals that go with the deep waves, but I guess there's a frontal shortage. I'm not sure what's going on, but they haven't had any frontals lately. So just to let you know, if you do order from them, they will not have a frontal that matches the deep wave, and they also don't have any closures that matches it as well. So that is the only dilemma right now. They haven't always been like that. They've always had the frontals, and their frontals always do well for me. They always last long and all that type of stuff. But yeah, they don't have any frontals or closures right now. So I had to go find a different frontal from a different company. That was difficult because I've always only used their closures and frontals when I buy their hair. I never mix it up. The only time I mixed it up was a long time ago, and I had a deep wave and I needed a closure really fast for a very cheap price. That is the only dilemma, and I will be doing a video on the frontal that I purchased from. I actually purchased it from one of my old track teammates. She has a hair company and a lash company, so I will be doing a separate video for that. Let me get onto the prices. Mind y'all, Peruvian, for she's heavy hair, the Peruvian texture is gonna be more expensive than the Brazilian. So I'm gonna start you with the Brazilian. So I got a 30 and a 28. And so the 30 was 120. I'm sorry, y'all. Yes, but the 30 was 120, all right? And then the 28 was 115. So I got 130, 228, all right? So we already at around roughly $300 and some dollars. The longest limits that they have for the Peruvian is 26 inches. So you only could get from 10 inches to 26. So the 26 inch is 130. So that's even more than the 30 inch that I got for the Brazilian. So just to let you know, if you do get Peruvian, it is more expensive than the Brazilian. Just letting y'all know. But she's heavy hair is a little bit on the pricier side. The total that I spent for my purchase was $519. I know some of y'all gonna be scared. I'm like, whoa, because you know, I would too. That is expensive for some hair. But you gotta think about it. Normally I would just, you know, get my hair from, you know, AliExpress or, you know, a more affordable hair company. If the price is something that could be an issue for you, they do offer quad pay and Sezzle. So they do have some payment plans that you can get on if you if you want to get the hair, and you can pay it in 4 incremental fours. So you can definitely do that. You don't have to spend $500 all at one time. No, you don't have to. The only time I get she's heavy hair is when I'm really in the need of some really good quality hair that's gonna last me a long time. Yes, I can get me a wig, a wig for this or that price, but sometimes I just always want to have that hair sitting right there that I know is good quality, that I know I can go to, that I know it's gonna do me well. Quality over quantity, y'all. You know, sometimes you just gotta spin your bag on some good hair, and it's gonna last you a long time versus buying a wig every 2-3 months or whatever, you know what I mean? Unless you got a, you know, a good unit that'll last you a year, but you know. So I'm definitely ready to put this in my hair. I'm so excited to put it in. If you are needing any more information, I will leave all the things you need to know in the description box below. That concludes my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you shop at She's Happy Hair. Yes.